Yes, this is Sandra, and I'd like to show you the spring and summer table escape. I have the silverware, I have white bowls, and I got these white bowls at Walmart. They square, and I thought they were so beautiful to go with the spring attire. I got these placemats. They are so beautiful. I love these placemats. They have a hint of gold and a hint of blue to match this yellow tablecloth with the little stripes in it. I kept the ivory napkins with the silver ring because it's so beautiful. Then I have the little salt, pepper, and shaker. And I'd like to show you this beautiful cake plate. I just used it as a centerpiece with these fabulous candles holders. And I have the wine glass, the water glass, the wine glass, and then I have the little, oh, what you call the little creamer. Right there, ain't that cute? And I have the little old salt and pepper shakers. And I just have a fantastic tablescape for the summer and the spring. This is I just want to tell you happy Easter and thank you for coming to my channel and look at the things I do and the things I say. I appreciate every one of my subscribers because they are so wonderful to me. This is Sandra. I want to let you know how and what I did for my table escape for the spring and the fall. Well, not fall, spring and the summer, y'all. This is it right here. Ain't it beautiful? Little table escape. I keep my table set like this all year round. I really do. Just trying to tell you thank you for coming to my